When you gaze up at the night sky, every star you see belongs to the Milky Way, the sprawling spiral galaxy we call home. It contains every alien planet we've ever discovered, along with billions more waiting to be found on a clear, dark night. The Milky Way stretches across the sky like a glowing ribbon. In places untouched by light pollution, that ribbon becomes so packed with stars that you can even see the dark clouds of gas and dust that block their light. These shadowy patterns are so vivid that Indigenous Australians once imagined them forming the shape of an emu in the sky. Our galaxy is just one among trillions scattered throughout the universe. Astronomers have been studying galaxies for nearly a century, ever since Edwin Hubble proved that the Andromeda nebula was actually another galaxy entirely. Yet even now, scientists are still piecing together the mysteries of our own cosmic neighborhood and how it fits into the grand design of the universe. I'd love to see a time-lapse of the Milky Way forming, says Jay Lachman of the Green Bank Observatory, who shared new insights at the American Astronomical Society's 231st meeting in Maryland. Here are 10 strange, intriguing things about our galaxy that you might not know. 1. The Milky Way is mostly flater galaxy, spans about 100,000 light-years across, but it's surprisingly thin, only around 1,000 light-years thick. The Sun and its planets are nestled in one of the spiral arms, about 26,000 light-years from the center, which is cloaked in a bulge of stars and dust that resembles whipped cream on a pancake. 2. Earth is 18 galactic years old. Our solar system races through space at roughly 500,000 miles per hour. Even at that incredible speed, it takes around 250 million years to orbit the Milky Way once. The last time Earth was in this same position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam, and the supercontinent Pangaea was breaking apart. 3. A monster black hole lurks at the center. Sagittarius A, the galaxy's central supermassive black hole, weighs over 4 million times more than the Sun. Hidden behind thick clouds of dust, it's invisible to us directly. But by tracking the orbits of nearby stars, astronomers have been able to estimate its mass. These titanic black holes seem to be a common feature at the heart of most galaxies. 4. The Milky Way has an expiration date in about 4 billion years. The Milky Way will crash into the Andromeda galaxy. The two spirals are moving toward each other at 250,000 miles per hour. Though it sounds catastrophic, the merger won't likely destroy Earth. Instead, it will give rise to a dazzling new mega-galaxy with an unforgettable night sky. 5. We don't know how many stars it has. Estimates of the Milky Way's star count range widely from 100 billion to 400 billion. Many stars are faint and small, and vast clouds of gas obscure parts of the galaxy, making it hard to get a precise tally. Scientists rely on indirect methods, like measuring the galaxy's mass and brightness, to make their best guesses. 6. It's wrapped in a dark matter. Hallur galaxy sits inside a massive halo of dark matter, an invisible substance that outweighs all the stars and gas we can see. Astronomer Vera Rubin discovered the evidence for this cosmic mystery in the 1960s, when she noticed stars at the edges of galaxies were moving far too fast to be held by visible matter alone. 7. It hosts some of the universe's oldest stars. The Milky Way is orbited by over 150 ancient globular clusters, spherical groups of stars that are some of the oldest known. These clusters, along with dozens of small satellite galaxies, including the easily spotted Magellanic Clouds, reside in the galaxy's outer halo and help map its history. 8. It devours other galaxies. Our galaxy has a violent streak. Over time, it's pulled in and shredded smaller neighboring galaxies, leaving behind faint streams of stars, stellar rivers that still trace their original paths. Recently, astronomers announced the discovery of 11 new stellar streams, some named after Aboriginal stories. 9. The galactic center is blowing giant bubbles stretching far above and below the Milky Way's plane are the Fermi bubbles, enormous lobes of superheated gas and energetic particles. These cosmic bubbles, first discovered in 2010, are driven by intense activity around the galactic center and expand at about 2 million miles per hour. 10. Gas clouds are fleeing using the Green Bank telescope. Astronomers recently spotted over 100 hydrogen gas clouds shooting away from the galaxy's center at speeds of up to 738,000 miles per hour. These clouds may help trace the energy bursts responsible for the creation of the Fermi bubbles and reveal more about the galaxy's inner workings. The Milky Way is far more than a pretty streak in the night sky. It's a dynamic, evolving system filled with mysteries. And with each new discovery, astronomers get closer to understanding our place in the cosmos.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share for more.